best word I can use to describe a window that breathes the city is trippy. Um, the choreography and the cinematography blend extremely well to create this insane sensation where the body movement and the camera movement coincide alongside each other to create this very uncanny feeling. It doesn't feel natural in a good way, but it doesn't feel natural seeing the body move the way the camera kind of emphasizes it, uh, and it helps to create the sensation that we are currently descending deeper into something uh, as we transpire down this choreography. It was very surreal, but I definitely liked it.
I think that dancer, that performer was excellent. He harried, he was captivating to watch because it wasn't just the performing the movements like a recital. He was performing the movements like he felt them. And like you could tell there was like emotion and feeling and intention behind performing the choreography. It brought life to the performance as opposed to like remembering or reciting the dance moves. Also like the camera movement and the location was just pretty to look at, and then the camera movement matched the emotion and tone and vibe that the performer was giving. So all of that was all wrapped up together, made for a really enjoyable experience.
I really enjoyed the musicality of the ambient sounds, and it felt to me like initially those sounds, such as his pencil dropping, were what initially drew him into movement and out of his window into the open air. And through the course of the film, with his incredibly fluid movements, it felt like he was really being drawn through space and through this experience by the energy of the city around him. And it almost seemed to me like as he was dancing and moving in these different areas, he was hearing echoes of the experience of the city and those who had been there perhaps before him, even just recently, but that there is an energy to our cities and the places that we live, and that we can sort of like tap into that and be influenced by it.
This is quite magical. I think it is very interesting. I love the transitions, the movements, and the places the character visits. It is lovely. It feels earthy, organic. Even though this is an urban scene, it is um, the story is told so that you sense what the character is sensing. It feels choreography. The music pairs very well, and overall with zero words spoken, you understand a story from this city, and it all starts with a window.
It was simple, and even though I'm not 100% sure what it was trying to achieve, I feel like it was effective. The movement just really kept me engaged. I was kind of wondering where he would go next. Um, and I just kind of liked that it ended up where it started. That sort of bookending it that way is just always a crowd pleaser. It's shot really well. Really, there's some interesting locations.
I really enjoyed the locations and camera angle shots and music and dancing and all of it combined together. I thought it made for a really poetic short film, and it was really beautiful to see.